Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're looking at a huge magnet. It's from Vevor, and it's a magnetic 17-inch sweeper on wheels. Let's dive down and take a closer look. Okay, so here's the box that it comes in, and to open it I use my little trusted buckle knife here. I've got a review on this one, which is on your top right there, and yeah, I always use it for unboxing. It's a perfect little knife for this. Cut along here, and I've cut along here, and just to make it a bit easier. Alright, so you got your manual, and the rest is a different language. Yep, German there. So there's no instructions of how to put it together. You get a little brush. You get your wheels with your nuts and your bolts and your little wrench there. They're quite heavy too. You get your handle. What's it here? Okay, so that's how you would screw it. It's got a little arrow here showing you, or indicating to you which side to screw, which way to screw, I should say. And here's the magnet itself, which is really heavy. Alright, so this should be pretty easy. Alright, so let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Shows you here where to put the handle, to just screw it in there, because it does have a hole underneath as well, but that's only for the long screwy part of the handle. Alright, so just put it in there. We'll grab a washer first. And that'll go in here. So as soon as it becomes a little bit stiff, just back it off just a little bit to roll it. Okay, we'll put this side in too. Back it off a little bit, and that's it. Now for the handle, we'll put one of these on. Now there's one spare. I'm not sure if it is actually a spare or it goes somewhere, but it doesn't seem like it goes anywhere, so let's screw it in. Alright, so the handle is it's like it's a yeah, you can't loosen it by turning it. It's only like a pull push kind of a handle. So there are some out there on the market that they've got a little handle here, so you can pick it up this way, and also that handle acts like a if I put it straight down like this, the handle comes out here, they pull it and it actually pulls the magnet back and it drops everything. But I don't need it because it's not for industrial use, so it's just for around the house. Now for storing it away, easy. If you want to just tighten up the wheels so they don't turn, then just lean it up against the wall, then you can. Or you could just hang it up from the handle here, because it's got the little loop, and put the handle in, because you could extend the handle, remember, and you can push it back in, and yeah, it doesn't take up too much room at all. Anyway, well, that's basically it with the assembling of it. You can hang it up as well. So we'll give it a test, I guess. So here we are outside. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, let's sweep across this little patch of grass and see what it picks up. As you can hear, it's picking up pretty well. Actually, there's more than what I thought. I did throw a couple of screws down just to set up the shot, but I didn't realize that there was this many down here. And there they all are. Pretty amazing, right? Look, if it saves you a flat tire, it's worth it. I mean, I only paid like 26 bucks for it on eBay, I think it was. I'll put the links down below so you can check it out for yourselves if you do need one of these. And I think that every garage should have one of these. You could do workshops with it, you could do driveways, anything you want really. So if it's something that you think that you might need, links in the description, and we'll catch you on the next one real soon. Woohoo!